This guide will demonstrate how a support technician can access machines or other PLC devices remotely and securely through Cisco Kinetic GMM. The prerequisite to starting this process is that the support technician should have downloaded and installed the Cisco AnyConnect Mobility Client. This client can be run on any Windows, Macintosh, or even Apple devices. To start this process, make sure that this client is installed and start it. Before we begin accessing the remote machine, the operations team should have sent you 4 pieces of information: the Cisco Kinetic server name, a one-time token for a username, a password, and finally an IP address that you can use to access the machine remotely. You can find that information from the Cisco Kinetic GMM portal. You can see that here. If you do not have access to the Cisco Kinetic GMM portal, make sure the operations team sends you the required information. As you can see, I am trying to reach a Schneider power panel behind the remote access solution. Behind my gateway, I have the power panel. I am not able to access that panel. To begin, let's put in the Cisco Kinetic server name. Put in the username. And the password you've been given. It's as simple as that. You are now ready to access the machine. All you have to do is type in the IP address of your machine, you will be able to use any tool that accesses the remote device like you are on the same network. Note, the operations team can enable a timer on this request. They will be able to grant 1 to 6 hour access. If you need more time, you will need to request another token from the operations team. That concludes our video on how to access remote machinery simply and securely using Cisco's Remote and Mobile Assets solution for remote access. Thank you.